Have you ever heard somebody say, eat your skincare? It's not about slathering moisturizer on your toast, but it is about how what you eat can impact your skin. I'm Dr. Karen Mann, I'm the medical director at Noom, and today we're going to break down what that means to eat your skincare and why it's not just about a glow. Your skin reflects what's going on the inside. Skin is your largest organ, so it will reflect things like hormonal imbalances, gut issues, or inflammation. Those will show up on your face. So it's very important what you eat because it really does affect the tone, texture, and aging that your skin experiences. So what nutrients act like skincare working from the inside when you include them in your diet? This is going to be foods that have vitamin C. So vitamin C is a really important component of collagen, and collagen being one of the components of your skin that keeps it youthful. Omega-3s, very important for hydration. Your polyphenols, which we see in our colorful fruits, these are antioxidants and help with stress. Things like vitamin E and zinc, very important as well for repair and support of your skin. And you know me, I'm always a big advocate for eating whole foods, so avoiding the ultra-processed things, the packaged goods with a lot of ingredients that you can't pronounce. Stick with the whole foods because that is your recipe for healthy skin. So what specific foods can support your skin health? For one, fatty fish like salmon, or if you're more on a plant-based diet, it could come from chia. Also, brightly colored fruits and veggies. There's where your polyphenols are. Those are your antioxidants. Leafy greens, not only for the micronutrients, but also for the fiber component. Your gut loves that stuff, and that shows up on your skin. Nuts and seeds, these have your vitamin E, really good for support and repair of your skin. And you know my favorite thing, fermented foods. I had my yogurt today. Have you added a fermented food to your diet? These support your gut health, and your gut health is definitely reflected on your skin. You've got diet dialed in, now what? Supplements like hyaluronic acid or methylsulfonylmethane, or MSM, can be that next level of skin support. Healthy skin isn't just smooth, it's resilient. It protects you and it heals itself from the inside, reflecting your internal health. Nutrient-rich foods support your metabolism, your immune system, and your repair processes. You don't need to overhaul your diet completely in order to see the benefits in your skin. Start with small swaps like we always talk about. Over time, these little habit changes, they build up and they do make a difference.